Okay, so what's up everyone? So again, TomaTrader here, and again, this is another video para sa mga newbies dyan na nagsisimula pa lang sa market. So ano kaya tatawagin natin sa session na to? Siguro Toma, Toma learning session na lang kunyari. So ituturo ko ngayon, last time tinuro ko yung basic support and resistance, pati yung power of 52-week highs and lows. So ngayon, ituturo ko how to set a stop loss. Kasi napaka-importante to, lalo na kung nagsisimula ka pa lang sa trading journey mo. Kasi kung, let's say for example, dati investor ka, yung tinuturo kasi kapag basic long-term investor is peso cost averaging, di ba? Yung lalagay ka lang ng pera sa isang stock every month. Pero as a trader, what's important is to understand rather na hindi lagi panalo sa stock market. As a trader, magkakaroon talaga ng losses. And normal lang yun. And what's important is you know how to minimize yung mga losses. What's important is you make more sa mga profits mo than you lose. Diba? So you want to win big and lose small. And di ko na masyado gagawin complicated yung video. Papakita ko lang paano nga ba mag-set ng stop loss. Ano yung mga tatlong ways na pwede. Maraming ways na pwede. Pero ito mga basic na ideas kung paano. So straight na sa example, wala na masyadong theory, di ba? Ganun tayo dito. So for example, ito, si Wilcon. Let's use example number 1. You want to use a percentage stop. So di ba last time turo ko, yan, mga 52-week high, yan. Marami kang kikitain yan, di ba? De joke lang. Kapag 52-week high, breakout, di ba? Malakas yun. And yun nangyari kay Wilcon. So yan, ngayon, nagko-consolidate siya dyan. Let's say, bumalik ka dito. What's one way for you to set a stop loss? You can use a percentage stop. So yung turo kasi ni William O'Neill, if you're using a percentage stop, you never want your losses to be more than 8%. So yung maximum mo talaga is 8% loss. So kasi bumili ka 1750, yan, tignan mo lang saan yung 8%. Tapos yun na yung stop loss mo. Ito 8% is at 1610. So pag yung presyo nag 1610, mag-cut ka na. Hindi naman kailangan 8% max lagi, pwede naman 7%, 5%. Pero ito yung logic behind ng percentage stop. Sobrang straight to the point lang, tsaka kailangan disciplined ka. Basta pag tumama na sa percentage stop mo, mag-cut ka na. Diba? Sige, pili tayo ng ibang stock, ng mga maganda stock. Then gamitin natin yung example na price structure. Let's say for example si AceX. Grabe yung nangat nito this year, no? When you're using price structure kasi, say for example dito, kita mo may consolidation pattern. May parang flag na ewan, di ba? Yan. So may consolidation pattern. So saan mo ngayon isa-set yung stop loss mo kapag gamit mo price structure? So if you're buying this kind of pattern, you want to place, kapag price structure, let's say you want to place your stop below support. It's either you want to place your stop below support or if you buy the breakout, below resistance. Pero pag ganito, let's say bumili ka dito, 1080. Masyadong malalim na, no? So pag ganyan, yung stop loss mo, below the breakout point. So yung breakout niyan sa may mga 1080, ganyan. So pwede mong gawin, lagay mo yung stop loss mo dyan, sa gitna, say 1043. So at least pag bumili ka, using the price structure, so lalagay mo yung stop mo below resistance, yan. 5% loss. Matas nakita naman natin, di naman bumaba na yung presyo doon. Pero yun nga, nagbuhos eventually. Pero essentially, ganyan yung example. So, let's use another one. House. Let's say, pag bumili ka naman sa support, let's say ito. May na-identify kang consolidation. May na-identify kang support level. Let's say, ayaw mo bumili sa breakout. Pwede mong gawin. Lagyan mo yung stop mo dito, below support. Lagyan mo lang ng onting, bigyan mo ng onting allowance. So, pag bumili ka sa 1165, cut below 1130, yan, 3%, 4% loss lang. So that's how you use price structure. If you buy the breakout, you can place your stop below support. If you buy the breakout, you can place your stop loss below resistance, below the breakout point. Tapos, if you buy on support, you can place your stop below the support level. So yun yung price structure. And yung next naman, yung last na pwedeng gawin, yan, pwede mo gamitin yung previous candle low nung previous day. So, ano kaya magandang example dito? Random stock lang. Let's say, for example, si AcePH. Let's say, for example, bumili ka dito. Di ba, may consolidation. Nag-breakout. Tapos dito parang may pause na area. Parang may super short-term consolidation. Tapos binili mo yung breakout na to. Pwede mong gawin, yung stop loss mo, ilagay mo dito, sa low ng previous candle. So pag bumili ka, 230, 228, cut mo below 217, 5% loss. So yun lang, lagay mo lang, pag bumili ka dyan, below the low of the previous candle. So yan, 217. And as you can see, hindi naman siya bumaba. So that's another way you can do it. So basically yun lang naman. Pero marami talaga ways kung paano ka pwede gumamit nito. Let's say for example, pwede gumamit ng moving average. But let's say bumili ka dito. Gusto mo bounce. Tapos mag-cut ka lang. Pag nag-below moving average, cut ka dyan. Marami talaga examples. Pero what's important talaga is yung discipline to use it strictly, to follow it. Hindi yung tumama na nga sa stop loss mo tapos di ka pa magka-cut. Di pwedeng ganun. Tsaka what's important talaga is you understand yung concept ng VAR. Yung value at risk. Hindi kasi pwede yung porket, magsa-stop loss ako dito, ganyan. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-basic. What you can do is you can learn yung concept ng value at risk. So basically, rule of thumb is every time you put on a trade, you don't want to risk more than 1% of your total portfolio. So if yung port mo, 100,000, you only want to risk per trade 1% of that, which is 1,000. So yung loss mo, dapat maximum 1K na. 1K lang pala. Pero paano nga ba mag-compute ng VAR? So dito sa calculators natin, say for example, yung calculators natin dito. So may iba-ibang klase yan. So merong Investa Smart Calculator, which is something meron yung mga Investa Prime Plus users natin. Pero using the risk management calculator, dito mo pwede i-compute yung VAR mo. Say for example, 100K yung port mo. And you only want to risk 1% per trade. So, una mong gawin, identify mo yung entry price mo. Diba, for example, kay Wilcon kanina, gusto mo bili ka 1750. Tapos yung cut loss mo, 1650. Target price mo, say 20. So, automatic na. I-compute dito kung how much shares you should buy. Pati yung portfolio allocation size mo. So, hindi lang risk management yung sagot dito. Pati portfolio allocation na rin. So, yun lang naman. At least dito, automatic na yung compute, diba? Pero what's important is, gamitin nyo to religiously, disciplinedly. Diba? So, mabibase yung position size mo based sa cut loss price mo. So, let's say you want to place your stop below support. So, gaya lang. Sa chart ka, plot mo below support. Tapos, pag nakuha mo na yung presyo ng cut loss mo, i-transfer mo lang dito sa calculator na to. Para at least, malaman mo din ilang shares dapat bili mo. Pati yung portfolio allocation percentage. Tapos, ito naman, pakita ko lang, ito naman para sa mga Investa Prime Plus users natin, yung Investa Smart Calculator. Yung ginagawa nito, may mga proprietary algorithms kami. Para say, for example, si Wilcon, gusto mo nga bumili, 1750, di ba? Using our algorithms, i-compute na namin, di ba? Saan pwede yung cut loss mo, pati target price. Basta yung algorithms namin, may mga formulas yan. So, sabi ng Smart Calculator, pwede na yung stop loss sa 1692. So, pwede naman since hindi volatile talaga si Wilcon. Tapos mas malaki yung size na pinapalagay. So, yun lang naman. So, that's what value at risk is. That's how you set a stop loss. So, yun lang naman guys. Hopefully, naka-provide to ng value sa inyo. And remember lang, one of the things I learned from Javi Medina, one of my, parang mga mentors ko while I was in my trading journey early game. Hanggang ngayon, I'm learning so much from him. Risk management solves 80 to 90% of all trading problems. So basic pa lang yung tinuro ko ngayon, pero continue nyo lang yung pag-aaral about risk management, setting stop loss, pati yung value at risk. So yun lang. Maraming salamat.